Today we're going to talk about carbon dioxide, something you might have heard of. This was my confusion around carbon dioxide. I've heard a lot about people saying, you know, your personal carbon footprint is 10 tons or 20 tons of carbon dioxide, or we've carbon offset a ton of carbon dioxide. And I'm thinking, I've never seen carbon dioxide. I can't picture a ton of this stuff. As far as I know, it's in the air, it's in the atmosphere, but trying to picture something that is invisible and seems to be kind of massless, you know, translating that into like, oh, we've offset a ton of it. I don't know, I just couldn't picture it. So I asked my dad, because he's a scientist and he knows about everything. Can we get a visual on this carbon dioxide situation? Like, what does it look like? We're gonna get my paws on some solid carbon dioxide. And he was like, yeah, of course, just get some dry ice. Mind blown. I had no idea. The oven mitts are back. If you've ever heard of dry ice, it's this kind of crazy kind of ice. And it's been in the news a lot lately because it's like the critical component that's gonna keep the COVID vaccine super cold. In this bowl is approximately 1 kilo. So every person on average is producing 5 tons of carbon dioxide. So that's like this right here that I have, 5,000 times this amount is going into the atmosphere for every single person on Earth. Canadians on average produce about 16 tons per person, so 16,000 times this. We are the second highest emitters of carbon dioxide per capita in the world. I think Saudi Arabia is higher than us, but Canada is second. At least we're not first. Could be worse, right? So dry ice is just frozen carbon dioxide. I thought this was gonna come in like a block and I could just hold it, but instead it came in these tater-tot shapes. Ooh, I wonder if my table's okay. You just can't see it because it's a gas and because it's invisible, but now it's not. When it's solid, when it's right here, but the rest of the time it's invisible. Hope this was helpful.